नमस्ते, स्वागत है आप सबको एकाम्र क्षेत्र भुवनेश्वर में। Temple is a combination of Shiva and Vaishnav concept. Now this was made by someone. So हम आपको दिखाने वाले हैं हर किसी का नाम क्या।
The area of sculpture, and then the Jagamahana. The Jagamahana is the hall of assembly. Then the Natamandapa. The Natamandapa means.
नमस्कार। तो आज हम हैं उड़ीसा में और आज हम भुवनेश्वर में हैं। इसको कहा जाता है एकाम्र क्षेत्र। बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग प्लेस में मैं आज खड़ा हूँ। उड़ीसा का सबसे ओल्डेस्ट टेम्पल इज ऑन माई राइट हैंड साइड। दिस इज द लिंगराज टेम्पल डेडिकेटेड टू लॉर्ड शिवा। एज यू नो दैट उड़ीसा इज द हार्ट लैंड ऑफ हिंदुइज्म। तो ये बहुत ही सेक्रेड टेम्पल है। बहुत ही ज़्यादा टूरिस्ट यहाँ पे आते हैं। एंड एज आई रेड द हिस्ट्री, it was said that it was made in the 11th century. This is even older than the Jagannath temple, and this was built by the Somavanshi dynasty. More details हम अभी आपको दिखाने वाले हैं, काफ़ी कुछ बताने वाले हैं in the next few minutes. I hope you enjoy and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So friends, we are actually in the right, very beautiful place. With me is my friend Swagatika. Probably she already introduced you in my previous video of the Raja Rani temple. So actually, she's going to give a very great idea about the history of this beautiful temple. So over to Swag now.
Thank you, Kishore. So here we are at Lingaraj temple. So this is one of the largest temple in Bhubaneswar. Lingaraj temple originally called as Harihar temple, and then it was named as Tribhubaneswar. Tribhubaneswar means world, and Tribhubaneswar means tri-world. That means the Lord Shiva is worshipped for tri-world. Tri-world means sky, earth and netherworld. So this place called Bhubaneswar named after this temple Bhubaneswar. So here I am going to tell you the history of this temple. It was believed that this temple was started building on around 6th century, and it was finished on 11th to 12th century. It was one of the oldest temple in Bhubaneswar, and it is a belief that it was constructed by Somavanshi dynasty. Then it was handed over to the Gangas rulers, and the ruler Jayati Kesari and their sons are actually behalf of this temple has worshipped Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva is the main god of this temple, and here you can see inside the temple around 50 short temples, small temples, and worshipped all Shiv temples only. So it is the style of architecture called Kalinga architecture, and the style of the temple is Deula style. And I'll tell you what is Deula style. Deula style is Deula style is divided into basically 4 parts. One is Vimana, the main temple. Vimana means the area of sculpture, and then the Jagamahana. The Jagamahana is the hall of assembly. Then the Natamandapa. The Natamandapa means the area of pleasure, culture and music. And then the Bhogamandapa. Bhogamandapa means the area of offering the Lord. So here in Lingaraj temple, there are a lot of food offering to Shiv and to the people every day. So you can also come and enjoy a delicious food meal offering Lord Shiva, and you also can enjoy. Thank you very much.
Friends, just I am climbing up. मैं अभी जा रहा हूँ, आपको दिखाने वाला हूँ एक viewing point, क्योंकि लिंगराज temple is the premises of the temple is prohibited for every kind of visitors, especially the mobile phones and gadgets are not allowed, and non-Hindus are not allowed. So they have actually made a beautiful fence here. This is called a viewing point, And I'm going to give you some more important information about this temple. The height of the temple is 180 feet. And this particular temple, as my friend said, that Lord Harihara is offered a prayer here, and it's a combination of Vaishnav and Shiva. So that's something which is very interesting actually. And the important festival that is celebrated here, it's actually a very much a religious practice called Shivratri. And during the year 2012, close to 200,000 people came to this particular temple. And I must say, if you are here, never miss a chance to witness this particular temple.
तो दोस्तों मैं आशा करता हूँ कि आपको ये एपिसोड अच्छा लगा हो। हिंदी वाले जो सबटाइटल है हम कोशिश करेंगे जल्द से जल्द बनाने के लिए। So coming next is the beautiful Golden Beach, बहुत ही खूबसूरत और बहुत ही cleanest. This was awarded as the Blue Flag Beach. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe my channel.